In this tutorial, we're going to discuss how to add a new product in WooCommerce on the WordPress platform. As you can see, I'm already logged into the dashboard of WordPress, and the first thing I'm going to want to do is come over here to Products in this left menu and click on Add New. And I'm going to give it a product name, and in this case it is Sleep Therapy Folders. And before we get too far down the road, I want to kind of familiarize you with some of these sections on this page. Over here on the right hand side, you'll see all of these different boxes that contain different types of information. For instance, this top one is the Divi page settings. We don't want a sidebar, so we're going to leave that at no sidebar. We want the page for the product to be full width. And then I'm going to scoot on down here. For this particular product that we're adding, the Sleep Therapy Folders, I'm going to put that under Dream Pillows. And that's going to be the closest, I think, to where it needs to be. You can place products in multiple categories at the same time, so if you wanted to call this a health product, you could do so by clicking here. But I'm going to leave it at this right now as Dream Pillows. And then I'm going to set a product image. So I can click right here on Set Product Image, and I'm going to upload an image to the media gallery. And I'm going to go down here to where I know my images are and find it on my local hard drive. And I'm going to say folder front. Click open. And in the alt text field over here on the right, I'm going to type in all lowercase Sleep Therapy Folders. That's just so search engines will know what's going on there. You can leave all the rest of this blank. No need to fill that in. I'm going to come down here to the lower right hand corner, select on Set Product Image. Okay, now for the next step, I'm going to say this is a simple product, meaning that it's not grouped or part of an affiliate program, and it's not a variable, meaning it doesn't come in sizes and shapes and colors and things like that. It's just a simple product. Your regular price for this is going to be 49 cents, and it's taxable if it's based out of your state. To a person purchasing that, they would be charged tax accordingly. And then the tax class is just going to be standard there. If you wanted to do inventory management, you would click on this, and you can put in a SKU, which I wasn't provided one, but this is where your SKU would go. And if it's in stock, you can click here. If it's out of stock, you can select whatever you want. If you want to manage the stock level, you can click on this box here and then enter in a stock quantity that you started out with. So if you've got 500 of these, then you'd of course put 500 in there. If you don't want them to be able to back order this once it runs out, then leave this at the default. Otherwise, you can allow it but notify the customer or allow back orders. I'm going to leave it at the default. And then your low stock threshold can be set to whatever. So if you wanted to have some lead time here, you could put in 100. If your stock quantity up here was something more than 100, like say 500 or 1,000, let's say it was 1,000. Once it's got down to 100 left in your stock inventory or stock quantity, then it would notify you as the store owner and tell you, hey, listen, you're down to 100 of these now, so it's time to reorder. But some people use spreadsheets. They use different types of things externally from this platform to be able to manage their inventory levels. Shipping, we're just going to leave that all the same. Linked products, this is where you can upsell or cross-sell. I'm going to leave that blank right now, but you can search for products, and then if you want to cross-sell this with maybe the bags or the pillows, or whatever it is, the herbs, whatever it is that you want to cross-sell with, this is where you would add those. So the short description, what I was provided was this here. I'll copy it to my clipboard and come down here and say enter. And then I'm going to go ahead and make this bold. Okay, and that's the short description there. The long description goes up here. And I'm going to go ahead and just paste this in right here. And see, we've got the category selected, got the image there selected. Now, you've provided additional photos to use with this product placement. So I'm going to add those to the product gallery. I'm going to come over here. I think I've added all those already. Let me see. I've added them into the media library. Let's take a look at this. Yes, I have. So I'm going to click on this, and I think that's pretty much the same. So I'm going to leave that alone, and I'm going to say add to gallery. That's going to add those 2 additional photos there. Everything looks pretty good here. I'm going to go ahead and hit publish, and this should now show up on the front end of the website and be available for sale. And let's go take a look. Let's view this product on the front end. You can come up here to this toolbar where it says view product. And since we've updated it over here, it's safe to go ahead and leave. You won't lose anything once you've hit this update button. And there it is. It's been added to your store. And if you scroll down, you can see that you've got these other photos that people can look at. And that's it. If you have any questions whatsoever, please send me an email, give me a call, let me know, and we'll go from there. Thanks.